Good morning, team. We have arrived after, today's the second day. Yesterday was a very interesting day. We spent a lovely 8 hours on a bus and it was a very pleasant experience.
Interesting day for me as well.
I don't usually get motion sickness, but that bus pushed me right to my limits. But now we're in Salento now, which is a small town. I don't know.
Nice mountain coffee growing town.
Yeah.
In the south. It's nice and chilly, nice and crisp.
Yeah, it's like Wellington summer weather, eh?
Need the hoodie.
Later today, going on a coffee tour, which is the entire reason I came to Colombia. This is the most extensive menu I've seen in my entire time here. Looks very good.
The most extensive menu I've seen in my life.
That is so cute. Did some work, did some editing, and now we're ready for the coffee tour, the highlight of my trip. Though we are planning on going to another coffee growing town, are we?
Yeah.
Oh, so there might be another coffee growing tour.
Fit in a second coffee tour there and a cocoa tour as well.
Oh, very
It's a
interesting.
cocoa growing town as well.
That's what I'm all about. I'm all about the beans that create most favourite food and beverage products. This is by far the most outrageously bumpy ride I've taken in my entire life. Jesus Christ.
Oh, we got played so bad. Like, it was disgusting. Like New Zealand pricing, yeah, it's still cheap. It was $6 each for maybe a 15-minute sort of ride. I mean, yeah,
It's a lot here.
That's Uber pricing.
Yeah.
No, I wasn't happy about that. So.
You flexed your Spanish as well, but it didn't work.
Yeah, no, I was exploring every possibility. I talked with them in Spanish for like 5 minutes, but they weren't having a bar of it.
So we did indeed make it to the coffee farm, even though we paid too much to get here. Tour starts soon. I'm very excited. How are you feeling, Seb? You hyped?
Yeah, I'm really, really excited. I mean, we don't have coffee in New Zealand, so
Yeah, you can't grow
coffee.
coffee in New Zealand, so this is a pretty wild experience.
I mean, we just take it for granted, you know? It just turns up at your local mojo. Where does it come from?
So we're meant to be picking coffee, but all the coffee I can find is not right. Oh, Seb's found some ripe coffee.
Behold. I don't even know. I think it's right. It's rude. One bean down. 1,000 to go. Still probably still wouldn't fill this basket.
I found a single coffee cherry.
Have you been rewarded by going down this gully?
Yeah, I have. There's actually heaps here.
Yeah. Closed well.
Okay, I need gin.
Whoa, there's so much water in that pod. It's not sticky or anything, it's clean water. It smells planty.
Oh, that's crazy.
So this is the coffee cherry, and if you squeeze it out, you get, oh, this one has 3. So 3 coffees. And if you eat them, they taste kind of sweet, which is interesting. Yeah, they taste sweet like a fruit, but suppose you can't eat these. And the coffee tour and the cupping is complete. Now Seb and I are going to walk home because we don't want to get ripped off the Jeep again.
We're gonna walk home, and it's sort of not raining, but sort of a mist.
Yeah,
We're gonna walk home.
this will be interesting. We'll see how this goes.